Hello guys, welcome back to another quick guide here, quick tutorial for LogixTrader. And right on this video, we're going to be looking at how you can possibly have actually, is it possible for you to have multiple charts open on LogixTrader? Yes, it is possible, and it's completely easy, and we're going to be looking at how to do this today. So let's jump right across on my screen and let's start the tutorial. All right guys, so right here we have euro dollar on the 1 hour time frame, and I'm a very big fundamental trader, right? If you follow us on YouTube, you most likely have seen me talking about fundamentals, and you most likely have seen me talking about data, everything that it's related to economics. And one of the big things about trading multiple outsources, multiple asset classes, instruments, is that you can look at different classes with the same correlation or negative correlation. You can hedge your risk. There's so much opportunities around you having more than one chart and not only one in front of your eyes. Look, I can't even tell you how many good opportunities you could be missing without having 4 charts maybe open, or maybe 3 charts open in front of your screen. So on LogixTrader, we do offer 2 charts, well, 1 chart, 2 charts, 3 charts, and 4 charts, 4 being the maximum of holding capacity at the same time on the screen, all right? So right here, as I've just mentioned, we have euro dollar. So let's have a look on how we can have 3 charts. Let's just start easy here. How we can have 3 charts to trade euro dollar or to trade any other charts that will be right in front of your face. Okay, so here we have, just here, can you see that we have a little button? Okay, so there are 2 options for you to be doing this, all right? So you can either already have, all right, let's just start with, let's say, US dollar index. Okay, so I want to see how the US dollar index is performing. So I want to know, I can predict how the euro dollar can go, and I want to know as well the correlation with euro dollar and the pound, the euro and the pound. So I want to know euro pound as well. Oops, sorry, euro pound. There we go. So let's start with those 3. So we have it open here. This is on a daily time frame. I want to put this on a 15-minute time frame, euro pound on the 15, US dollar index on the 30 minutes, and euro dollar on the 1 hour. Right, so we already have the 3 pairs that we've selected open. So if you look at right across on the top right corner here, we have the multi-chart mode, okay? And if you click there, it will open a few options for you. All right, you can have the 2, you can have 2 vertical, you can have 2 horizontal, you can have 3 vertical, you can have 3 charts as well, 1 as the big and the main one and 2 small ones on the side. We can have the big one on the top and the 2 small ones on the bottom, 2 small ones on the left side and the big one on the right side, on 2 small ones on the top and the big one on the bottom, and we can have 4 charts, and then we'll be same size for the whole 4 charts. So I have 3, and the way I like is I want to have my main chart on the right, and I want to have my minor 2 charts on the left. So I'm going to select this option here, and voila. All right, so we have euro dollar on the 1 hour, US dollar on the 30 minutes, and we have euro British pound on the 50 minutes. One thing that you probably have noticed is they are on different time frames, okay? And you can have different time frames on those. It doesn't matter where they are, okay? So let's say I want to have euro dollar on a different time frame. I can just click on 5 minutes. And let's say I want to draw something on euro pound, okay? So I want to draw something on euro pound. Let me grab a drawing tool here. This is a nice support. And maybe I want to just highlight this area, okay, just randomly. So I have drawing there. I have a drawing, I'm going to have a drawing here on the US dollar index. So this is my resistance, and US dollar and euro dollar right across on the top left here for me. Now, this is one way you can do. If you want to come back to the main page and have only one chart, that's not a problem. If you look at, again, on the right side here, on the very top end, we have a multi-tab mode, a multi-chart mode, and then you have the multi-tab mode. If you click on the multi-tab mode, we come back for euro dollar as we will always come back for the first one here. So this case is euro dollar. And again, now the second option is if you come here, all right, let me delete all of this, and you only have euro dollar, but you want to pre-select already your chart mode, you can come to, let's say, 4, and it's going to have for you an option for you to add a symbol for chart 2, for chart 3, and for chart 4. So let's say I want to add my chart symbol for 4, maybe gold. Okay, there we go. My chart symbol for 3, maybe, let's say, USD JPY. Okay, and my second one can be S&P 500. This is another way you can possibly do as well. Again, you can change the time frames, you can draw your drawings the way you prefer. And if you want to come back for one way or one charting tab mode, you can just click on multi-tab mode here on the top, and voila, you come back for the S&P 500. Guys, this is another way for you to be looking at multiple charts. Sometimes I know it's very hard for you to be looking at one and then coming back to another and then clicking back to that one, or going to the watch list, trying to look at the watch list, see where it is. This is a very quick way for you to have maximum 4 charts. You can have 3, you can have 2, you can have only 1. It's going to be completely up to you. Now, if you still have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact all account managers. Your account manager, maybe Nathan Yin, maybe Nathan Bray, Lachlan, George, Sylvain, they're all there to help you. They are very high skilled professionals with a bunch of knowledge on LogixTrader, and they're definitely going to be able to help you out. All right, guys, thank you so much for another video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.